Let's go. Can't stop, can't stop. Oh my God.
Unexpected item in the bagging area.
What?
Unexpected item in the bagging area.
Are you serious? Huh?
Austin rebooted.
Welcome to Starbucks. What would you like to order?
Can I get the 67 drink, please?
Oh! 6-7, 6-7, 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. Hold it. Yes, yes!
No way, man.
Drop it in, drop. No, fuck!
Bro, you're terrible.
Don't talk to me. You missed an open net, man.
This game is so
trash.